Hello students, in this video we will be doing our next activity of computer. You will get this on page number 12. I have just cut this image so that you can know that this is the activity that you are supposed to do, okay? Now let's read the question. Open WordPad by clicking on Start, All Programs, Accessories, WordPad. Now before that, I'd like to show you something. As you can see, I'm having an image over here. This button on any keyboard means this is the Windows key, okay? On some keyboards you will get this kind of key also. This is the Windows key. So before starting WordPad, let me show you another shortcut as well. Now for that, what you have to do is just watch this video. Now this is my keyboard. On these kinds of keyboard you will get this button. This is also known as Windows key, okay? You have to hold this button and you have to press the R key. I'll show you this video, just watch carefully how I'm holding this button. Okay, you may watch it again. First I hold down this button and then I press this, okay? Now what that will do is, let me show you on the screen itself. Now you can see that my cursor is over here. I am not doing anything with my cursor. When I press the Windows and R, this is what opens up. This is known as the run command. Over here you can type word pad and OK, and WordPad will be open in front of you. But what you have to know is, from where will you get WordPad? First go to the start menu, all programs, search for accessories and then WordPad. Okay, now WordPad is already open in front of you. I'll keep this image, I'll make this small. I'll keep it on one side of the screen and let us do this exercise. Okay, now what we have to do is, we just have to type the following sentences and fill in the blanks with the help of hints given in jumbled manner. Okay, the first one I'm going to type over here. Now you have to pay attention to this part. Okay, let me make the font a little bigger for you. Let's go for 22. Okay, I'll start typing the dash. Now what will be the answer? The control unit works like a traffic policeman, and then you have to press the enter button. Now what enter does is, it will take you to the next line. The second one is, the output printed on a paper is called dash copy, that is hard copy. Next one is, a computer gives accurate results all the time. The next one is, a computer works on, what will be the answer? IPO. What does that mean? Input, process, output. Cycle. Next one is, the data and instructions given to the computer are called input. Okay, now let me close this. I'll maximize this. I'll just increase the size once again. Okay, now let's see the answers over here. First of all, control. In the last video I already showed you how to click and drag. So let us click and drag and select the word control. And let us go to this option. This option is known as underline. As soon as you click on it, what happens is it will underline this word. In the next one, this is the answer. Click and drag, select this and underline. Same way for accurate, IPO and input. So this was your activity. It is very simple to do. And students, let me tell you one thing. It is very important for each and every one of you to learn typing, because typing is very much needed nowadays. You all should learn how to type, okay? And let me also tell you that mobile typing is not the same as computer typing, because mobile has a small screen. So if you have a laptop or if you have a computer, you should learn to type, okay? If you do not have a computer, no problem, you can just watch this video and understand. Okay, thank you students.